Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today, I'm gonna show you how to switch between TikTok personal and business account. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead right here and open up the TikTok. All right. Basically, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead right here and click the profile. Some of the features that you want in your personal account may not be available in your personal account, so you need to switch to your business account in order to have that feature. So how do we do that? Basically, go ahead and click the three bars at the top right, and then go ahead to the settings and privacy. So click account right here, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just switch to a business account, and you're gonna follow along the on-screen instructions, right? And then basically after you finish, select the career that you have right here. Let's say public administration, real estate, or whatever it may be, personal, media, and entertainment. Move along to the next step, and then basically after you added the email, now you've set, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next